Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is dedicated to how to create soft, sexy waves. I wore loose, sexy waves in a video and in an Instagram post a few weeks ago. Got a ton of DMs and a ton of requests on how to recreate this look. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love that. Tap the little bell so that you get notifications of all of my new videos so that you don't miss anything. I would appreciate that. Okay, so let's get started. So I washed my hair yesterday using all of my favorite products, and the only product that I have in my hair right now is a leave-in conditioner by Schwarzkopf and Redken's Extreme Anti-Snap. It's a leave-in treatment, heat protectant. I love it. So the tools that I'll be using today are my trusty wide tooth comb, my wet brush. I'll be using this to brush out the curls to achieve those loose waves. An alligator clip from T3 Micro. This will hold the top part of my hair up while I curl the bottom parts. And my favorite curling iron from Babyliss. It's a Babyliss Pro ceramic curling iron. So let's get started. Section my hair into about like 1 inch sections like this, and towards the front of the head I like to flip out that wave. So I curl my hair away from my face and I start curling at the root, working my way down to the ends, okay? And I keep the curling iron on my hair. I try to do for less than 10 seconds because I don't want to fry my hair. And then the top sections I like to hold like this in the curl, see that? Until it cools down, because if it cools down in the tight curl, it'll hold the curl better. I don't use hairspray in my hair. I don't love hairspray. I only use it for sleek looks. I just feel that lots of hairsprays have alcohol in them and are very drying. And as the day goes by, the waves loosen even more, and I love that casual, beachy, sexy, wavy look, like not tight sausage curls. There, see? And I alternate the curls. So that last curl I curled away from my face, and this curl I am curling towards my face. That mimics a more natural curl or wave pattern. All right, the home stretch. So the two front parts, I definitely curl away from my face because I love that like waterfall look that frames your face. So I have to say, as you guys already know, I've been moisturizing and sealing my hair religiously, and I'm so happy at how well it's worked. Like, my hair is so shiny and soft, reducing the heat, which I know is counterintuitive to the video I'm showing you right now, has really helped boost the shine and softness of my hair also. It's so funny, like towards the end of me curling my hair, I get lazy. Oh, I should really try harder at the top because that's what makes the hairdo, really. Those perfect soft waves are the ones that frame your face, so yeah. I'm so impatient. And can I say, I've been using the Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. Look at those baby hairs. They've thickened up so much. It's great. Okay, so the curls are all done. It's exactly how I want. So I'm gonna take my wet dry brush. I'm gonna take my wet brush. I love this brush because it's super gentle on hair. It's like some sort of sorcery. I don't even know how they managed to do this. And I'm very gentle with the brushing. There's no need to rip the brush through your hair. I brush the same way I comb. And voila, here you have it. Soft, sexy waves. I love this look. This is like a signature Dominique look. My hair's super heavy, and so it pulls down the roots, making it look a little flat. If you want, you can tease the roots to make it look really full and sexy. I'm just going to leave it just like this. And yeah, this is my sexy wave look. And I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. I am not going to put any hairspray or any oils or anything like it because I don't wanna weigh the curls down. So here's just a closer look. Really happy at the state of my hair, the health. It's gotten longer, it's gotten fuller. So all that to say, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. This is one of my favorite hairdos. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram. I'm at dominique.baker. I have started posting more hair health blog posts to my blog, styledomination.com. So if you find, for whatever reason, the video is a little hard to follow along and you want to see, hair health instructions step by step, again, check out my blog at styledomination.com. I will link some of my hair care articles in the description box. Anyways, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.